Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video I discuss musculocutaneous nerve. Before that I like to discuss the brachial plexus. Brachial plexus is the somatic plexus situated in the neck region and go towards the arm. The root value of the brachial plexus is cervical 5 to 8 and thoracic 1. This is the root of the brachial plexus. This is the trunk of the brachial plexus. This is the division of the brachial plexus. This is cord, and this is the terminal nerves arises from the brachial plexus. So the root of the brachial plexus is situated in the neck region within the scalene muscle, and the posterior triangle, within the posterior triangle upper, middle and lower trunk is present. The division is present just behind the clavicle, and within the axilla the cords are present, and the terminal branch of the cord, the nerves goes toward the arm. So the cervical 5 and 6 is together from the upper trunk, cervical 7 alone from the middle trunk, and cervical 8 and thoracic 1 together from the lower trunk. This is the anterior divisions of the upper trunk. This is the posterior division of the upper trunk. This is the anterior divisions of the middle trunk. This is the posterior divisions of the middle trunk. This is the posterior division of the lower trunk. This is the anterior division of the lower trunk. You see the anterior divisions of the upper trunk and anterior division of the middle trunk together from the lateral cord. All posterior divisions together from the posterior cord, and the posterior divisions of the lower trunk from the medial cord. This is the lateral cord, and this is the medial root of the median nerves, and this is the musculocutaneous nerve. So musculocutaneous nerve is arises from the lateral cord of the brachial plexus. If you see the lateral portions, the cervical 5, 6, 7, and the medial root value of the medial cord is cervical 8 and thoracic 1. But the root value of the posterior cord is cervical 5 to 8 and thoracic 1, because it is formed by the all posterior divisions of the upper, middle and lower trunk. Now the course of the musculocutaneous nerve. This is the lateral cord. This is the lateral cord, and this is the musculocutaneous nerve. Musculocutaneous nerve pierces a muscle. This is known as the coracobrachialis. That is why its name is musculocutaneous, and it's end by a cutaneous nerve. That is why the name is musculocutaneous nerve. And it's in the arm, it descends in between bicep brachii, coracobrachialis and brachialis muscles. This is the brachialis muscle, this is bicep brachii. So its descent in between these two muscles, and you see this is give the muscular branches. So the musculocutaneous nerves supply coracobrachialis, biceps brachii and brachialis, and it's obliquely downwards, and from medial aspect it go toward the lateral aspect of the arm. Near the elbow joint, just before the elbow joint, it's give the articular branches for the elbow joint, and it's came lateral side of the arm, and it's give two branches, anterior branch and posterior branch, and became cutaneous, and this nerve is known as the lateral cutaneous nerve of the forearm, and it supply the lateral portions of the forearm. This is the anterior view, this is posterior view. So this is the course of the musculocutaneous nerve. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe my channel.